Surfer.
We're on like kind of off-road terrain, so
I've seen they still like mini drones.
yeah.
You can set it for it to just follow you, bro.
Bro, I've seen those, bro.
I'm
They're
not
the
gonna lie.
they're the DJI ones. They're
Yeah,
expensive.
yeah. I ain't gonna lie.
They're
one
like
of those,
5 to like, whoa, what the fuck? I just got a fucking big ass.
I saw the bug.
It hit my fucking lip real nasty, dog. I basically kissed it.
Nah, but
Bro, they go from like 5 to like 10K.
oh shit.
Yeah. There's real crazy ones, bro.
Yeah, the ones that follow you, I ain't gonna lie. That's a good investment if you do like.
I mean, the $500 ones, bro, they kind of do, but it's just like less power. They fucking like $9,000 to $10,000 ones, bro. Those things fucking, the battery lasts for hours, bro, and fucking.
I feel like if you're gonna buy a $10,000 one though, like
You gotta make some
you
money
better
off
have
of
a
that.
business.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck that to buy a $10,000.
Like to show off acres or some shit like that, or like land or something like that. Because those things go up so high up in the air, bro. Like they can literally go up to like miles away from you, bro, and you can still be controlling it.
Oh, see, that's dope.
Yeah, miles, bro. Like I could be at my house, bro, and fly that shit to your house if I wanted to.
You creep.
Yeah, I know.
No, that's actually not bad though.
Yeah. But those are the ones that like you be watching on fucking like Animal Planet or some shit, and like they be like up in the mountains, high up in the air, shooting fucking crazy footage, bro. Like that's that type of shit, bro. Yeah, trust me, I already told myself, I'm like, bro, people who buy shit like that, bro, like they for sure making money off of it, because they have to make some sort of investment out of it, bro.
Fucking investment right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope it doesn't rain. But if it, oh, be careful.
Oh, fuck. Nah, I shouldn't, bro.
But if it does, I'm cool with it. I'm a little bit worried about the bike.
Nah, we should be good, bro. I don't think at all it's gonna rain. Like I said, a few sprinkles probably, but
We'll just park these bitch under a tree.
honestly, yeah.
I mean, that's the only thing I can think of.
Those are random ass people that just live somewhere around here. good because it's not going to come out this way.
Yeah. Gotta go more that way.
Oh, look, there's somebody over there.
Climb it. It's probably good on the other end.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, bro, is we're going to go this way. Fuck it.
I don't want to climb the hill.
Are you dead ass?
I mean, we really could.
But there's somebody, you didn't see him standing on the other side?
Somebody where?
Standing on the other side
Where?
of the hill.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's because they're on the other side of the hill. Look.
All right, Rob. That looks really weird.
Huh?
I'm like, that looks really weird. He's like, oh.
Yeah, you just chilling. We'll climb it on the way back. Rob would have loved it out here right now, bro. Rob would have loved it out here right
Oh, yeah,
now.
man. He always misses the cool spot.
It's low key as fuck right now. And I think we can ride this shit, bro, all the way down, bro. Literally all the way down this way. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. We're gonna go check the barn out. See if we can get over there. Now I see a fucking river. God damn it.
Water or is that sand? You go first.
Quicksand! A la verga. That shit's slippery. Fuck yeah, that shit would be creepy as fuck to come out here at night. They pretty much got it all like blocked off, so that way nobody.
Going to live in a good smoking spot.
Oh, what?
For some reason, this flavor I got,
Yeah.
the fucking resin turned real clear.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was yellow at first. Kind of looks almost brown. See that?
Oh yeah, damn.
It's weird, bro.
Color changing. It's a new color changing one.
New color changing cards.
Let's go diving. There's a cow. I wonder if we're on the other side of that.
Probably. You think it connects?
Yeah.
Probably back there somewhere.
How cool would it be to ride with the cows in there?
They'll probably fucking try and get our asses. That'd be awesome. They can't catch us.
Yeah, we'll put it on sport.
You imagine they're like right next to us?
No, I won't ride in there with the cows. Yeah, I won't. Just kidding.
Man, it's so nice out here.
It feels so great, bro. Let's see what's stopping us from going in riding with those cows.
Oh, never mind. It's ice.
Yeah, but is there fucking
It's just a sinkhole.
Cinco de Mayo?
Sinkhole there, Maya.
Damn, bro. It's literally just a fucking string.
What?
A string that's holding us back. Oh, never mind. I see it. They just put that there, so that way they don't go under. Okay, I get
Is
it.
that a cow skull?
Where?
Right there on the floor, that's a rock.
Oh shit.
It looks like a fucking cow skull.
Kind of lucky does.
Oh, there's gotta be so much more that way straight ahead.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna find a way in.
I don't know if we can. What's that? Right?
I never seen that woods over there, did we?
The woods?
Yeah, you see that?
What?
Straight ahead.
That's where the tree line of the dirt road is at.
Oh, okay, okay.
To the hill we go! What happened? Yeah, I see our tire marks. I love how good. I'm telling you, I was just gonna say, bro, my bike is so like nothing, bro.
I see your wheels slide a little bit in the dirt.
Yeah.
Bro, you replace that rear tire, that's gonna make a huge difference.
Another thing too, bro, is I gotta put that weight to the back tire. That's why.
yeah.
Yeah. I wish there was a way through this water. Fuck it, we're gonna go. If they can go, we can go.
I was thinking the same shit. Let's follow you.
Yeah, fuck it, let's go. Yeah, I'm already. Just kidding. Nah, you gotta do full throttle now. Hey, that was kind of fun going down.
It really was.
I don't want to go there.
Nah, you know you do.
I got 41%. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that probably wastes a lot of your battery.
That was pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, might as well. I don't know if it's gonna start raining, but
Yeah, we'll go slowly. Worst case, I'll stop at the spot.
they'll probably take us to the main road quicker. That was pretty dope. Fuck yeah. My bad, I beat for you to stop, but I was trying to set up my camera.
Oh, you're good. I didn't even hear it.
What?
This is nice.
Small spot.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This would be a perfect ass spot if we lived out here, something like that.
We'll give the bikes a little break.
Yeah, nah, you good, bro. Chilling.
Started, ran the racks up to the ceiling, came up out of apartments. If I was broken, had no money, they gon' hate regardless. I need a bitch gon' hold it down just like Lori Harvey.